Box's front left tire is gonna pop out. One more hit or two more, it could pop out.
Look at the back of Chevy Box's bus.
Oh yeah, it's tore up. Excitement and fun to no end. She's so excited that her little boy is out here ready to school. Oh boy.
Yeah.
There goes the tire. Kevo on the tire. Oh, Chevy. Kevo's muscles starting to get a little beat up as well. Bad ball box.
See how they're like that.
You wonder if he's scared. He doesn't care. He just wants to hit somebody. Who's next? What a job by both lines. Here comes Kevo now. Line him up. Boom!
Oh, it's gonna happen.
He's got him on his side almost. Here comes Mike Robbie. The CheeseBox with a big hit. Oh, man.
Four to go.
Chevy's looking around as well. There's Chevy in the box. Chevy hits the shot.
Looks like those two old internationals, I don't know if they're gonna make it. Old Bluebird.
Right now, Chevy in the box hooked together. Already caught. Kevo and the CheeseBox like Robbie go at it. On backstretch. Big hit. Whoa! Almost over on each other. They're trying to get Marty so Chevy in the box.
Too bad those old Bluebirds are getting weaker. They both could be done soon.
You need a hit to the Kevo or CheeseBox to bust them apart. Well, I don't know if they're going to do that. They're on their own back. They're brothers. Man.
Here we come.
Third lap here tonight. Third lap. So excited that it's done. Down here, like a bus.
Good hit right now.
By the hood, the front one here is CheeseBox. The other one is Kevo. And those guys are done. They're stuck together. What a shame. So now it's down to these two. Kevo. And
All right, yeah, Cram.
let Chevy Romney. That ball box hear it. What a job by the
Well,
two of them.
all the three Bluebirds are out. Only two Amtrams to go. Oh, one's trying to run for his life. Look out for those two Amtrams.
That's it. This will make for some Thanksgiving. We're going to talk about who made it. No, really?
I think so. The shape was stopping.
End this thing? Kevo was
It
stopped.
just did not move again.
Gonna hit it one more time. Let's see if Kevo can get rolling. Now Mike Romney's stuck to Kevo, but he made the last hit.
Well, everybody's stuck.
This thing could be over. Checker flag flies for the CheeseBox! Michael Romney! Let these bus demo campaigners hear it, folks! Give them a big round of applause! What a great job! Mike Romney, your winner. Oh man, that was unbelievable.
Always.
And as Mike Romney stands in victory lane, let's go downstairs to Deej Russell.
Thank you, Steve. I'm trying to make it right through the crowd right now. What a wild night we had here at Riverhead Raceway. Coming up to Sydney now, we seem very excited.
Only here for like an hour and a half.
I got Sydney Robin here. How do you feel about that with your kid out there? You did great. I'm stepping down here with what an amazing run you did tonight. Awesome job by you as well. How old are you now?
15 years old.
15 years old, just ran a bus demo with his father and his uncle. What a wild night. You guys went on a show like you wouldn't believe. What a wild bunch you guys did tonight. Look at these buses. They're destroyed. Did you have a strategy?
Yeah, I had a strategy. Kind of local organization and their charities, basically, all, bring out the buses and I didn't want to be my brother to run them. So obviously we got to try to stick together and, do it for the year. Strategy and that's what
Definitely. That's the second go-for win tonight because the CheeseBox as well. What a wild bunch. We were cheering. Kevo.
3 demos, 3 Romneys in victory lane.
That's right. 3 demos, 3 Romneys in victory lane. Romneys have been the king of demos for a long time. You, what a wild bunch. I want to interview him. I know you're the winner, but I'm going to be... How'd that feel out there?
I'm getting knocked around a little bit, get some stress out. I just want to thank all my sponsors, Modified, and I want to thank all the Bando kids for supporting me. Thank you for letting me work on your guys' cars. It's something to work with. I want to thank my family, my mom, my dad, Diggy Dee, Autumn. One got that luck with the 50-50. $50 you won.
Just a bunch of trash.
I want to thank everybody for coming out tonight. This is what North Court Sanitation is about. Local strong, baby.
How many demo wins do you think you have?
I have a one. I got multiple cracks. But I gotta have over 25 turns.
That's incredible. That must be shot. Awesome. That's that. It's all time like me. On the Everett County Project, Tom Gatz, that's another bus win for you. Awesome job. Everybody with a Smash buses again soon. So you can check us out on the website and see everything that's going on. Every Saturday night we're here putting on shows like this. Everybody come out. This place is awesome. It's the only track left on the island.